Hello guys, today I will show you a best music player for Android mobile phone. Let's see this name. Pulsar, PUL Pulsar Music MUSIC. This is the software. I think this is a best and perfect music player for any Android phone. Here they write the best offline audio player and MP3, no add with material design, and it supported a lot of format: MP3, SAC, FLAC, OGG, WIPE, and also M4A format. I suffered for M4A format player, then I find this player. Let's see some feature of this app. Here I am using Pro version. Read it later. And here you in front of when open this player, you find album, artist, folder base, all folder of your storage, genres, songs, all music in one place, artist base, album base, and here I have shown album, artist, folder, genres, playlist. You can add playlist, create your own playlist by this software. And here a good feature, that equalizer. Many player doesn't have this equalizer, but this app have. And here run on, and you will get a lot of setting: rock, pop, jazz, hip hop, heavy metal, folk, folk, dance, classical, normal, etc. And you can also modify by your own hand manually. Okay, now back, and let's play music. Here you will get your cover photo. You can also change by slide your cover of music player. You can speed up your music. That's so good features. I like that. And if you want to, you can share your music directly from here. That's also a good feature. Every others music player doesn't have this option. And favorite, and add playlist, artist, edit. You can also tag music. You can set, type your own word, and delete. You can also delete here. Sleep time, you can also set sleep time by this player. And there have also a good feature that I like that is audio visualization. Let's see what is that. Here in corner is this. I like that so much. I hope you will also like these features. It's also appear on upper here. get a perfect music player for your phone, and try free version first. If you wanted to try pro version, then you need to Pulsar PUL. Sorry for that. PUL SAR Pulsar Music. Here pro version. You need to buy this from Play Store, or if you want this pro version as a free, then you need to Google it. And thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video or this video help you to find a music player, then don't forget to like, subscribe me for more upcoming tips, tricks. Thank you so much.